I heard about this blonde lady. She was driving down the freeway when she got pulled over by a female cop who also happened to be blonde. The officer asked her for her license. She dug and dug in her purse, getting more and more frustrated because she couldn't find it. So she finally asked the officer, "What does it look like?" The officer said, "It's a little square that has your picture on it." The lady found a mirror, looked at it, saw herself in it, and handed it to the officer. The officer looked at it, saw herself in the mirror, handed it back, and said, "You can go. Sorry, I didn't realize you were a police officer." You're welcome. She's got the life. Black. Hello. So here's the corner in Sam's room where the water tank and the water heater are going to go. We also have a filtration system that filters out any extra stuff from the well, so like iron and stuff like that, magnesium. So it'll all go right here in this corner. Then we will build a closet along this wall for Sam's clothes. That'll go kind of like, we'll have the water section blocked off and then her clothes over to the side. So we're going to get that put in today, which is really great because we've been using this shower head here for a while and a bucket for like a week now. We haven't had any hot water. I've been boiling it on my wood stove like you've seen and on the propane cooktop, and then showering through a bucket and this shower head. So we're all really excited that we're gonna have hot water and Sam can take a nice bath instead of showering.
So the water tanks are gonna be here, as Mom said, and I could be working in the video. Might see me, might not. But as always, I'm always talking here in the video, and that's gonna be in the video. So I'll see ya.
Today's video is brought to you by Ariat. So Ariat has a whole line of different things. They have clothing. My shirt here is from Ariat. It's really comfortable, it's flowy, it's lightweight, I really love it. These pants are from Ariat. They're stretchy, they're super comfortable as well, I love them. And then they have a whole line of boots and work shoes, work boots, work shoes, riding for like horse riding and stuff. Tons of different shoes, absolutely love their boots. The boots I'm wearing right now are from Ariat, and I love wearing them around the house or to go out somewhere. They're like more of a fancier type. I also have another pair of Ariat boots that I wear often when building outside. They're composite toe and they're great, they're waterproof as well. They're great to use around the yard and when dealing with building materials and stuff. So absolutely love their apparel. If you're interested, check them out in the links below. There's men's, women's, children, all different sizes, different colors. Again, there's shoes, clothing, purses, tons of different things. Really awesome company. Everything we've got from them so far is great and comfortable and fits to size. So check them out.
All right, so today we're going to get some things swapped out here in this. We got our hot water heater in there. We're going to move it inside. Actually, there's going to be a new one going inside, not the one in there. That one out there, I may use that one. That's a propane one. I may use that over here within the garage when we sort that out, because we plan to do a small bathroom in that. So we're gonna have a big, big wash basin. So when you're cleaning animals, anything like that. So that'll probably end up over there more than likely. But anyways, more importantly for today, we've been out of hot water for a while. This is gonna make the amount of propane we need way less. So this 100-pound tank, which will be relocated, was a temporary location that just became way too permanent. Then once this snow, look at this. Look how high the snow is up on this now. It's halfway up the door. And same thing here, out back, similar. But, so we can't really deal with that till later. But that's fine for now. But that'll probably last 6 months running it off our range. So we're going to put an electric hot water heater right in behind here. That's where Sam's room's at. And then we're going to box it all in, and then we're going to build her closet off that too. But my buddy's coming today, who's a plumber, to help do that. So got ourselves a path cleared out here to take that door off, because we do need to get the cold water tank out of there. and then reroute the line through here so it goes in there. It is a nasty old day today. She's a little brisk. The problem is it's windy. Wow, it's actually getting quite cold. Probably in the minus 30s with the wind. I don't know if you can tell here how much snow has actually been accumulating lately. We've had a down year in snow, but lately it's really kicked in. We just kind of got like a tunnel going up to the house now to get in. But like I said, like it's accumulated the last couple weeks. We didn't have a whole lot until just recently, and now there's a few feet down. That's the wood pile. We're gonna build a wood shed out here this summer. It's got to be done now. I had to come out here last night because the snow was up over the heater, or not the heater. Yeah, that's the heat pump. I had to come out and dig that out. So I'm gonna have to get a little thing built over that come this summer too. It's all good now. I did dig it out, but it's getting pretty crazy. So it was late kicking in this weather, but it kicked in. All right, back inside. So we have been heating water on the wood stove. So at least we have that. That's a really big deal. So that's been good anyway. So we've had hot water. We've just been back to how we were a couple years ago before we had hot water and stuff. And that there is all that'll be running propane going forward. So we'll probably get 6 months, I think, out of that. If I remember correctly, a buddy of mine does the same thing. And I think he said maybe 6 months out of a 100-pound tank. So that's going to be awesome. So we'll just get 2 tanks going into the winter. And then if we have to, we'll toss her on. So right behind this wall is where it's going to go. The hot water, the water heater. It's not the hot water heater. It's a water heater that makes hot water. Right? All right, one more thing I want to show you out here. Okay. This is what I was talking about. So the snow was right up over this yesterday, so noticed it last night when I dug her out. We got like a cave to get to our wood over there. So it's, this is right up level with our wood pile pretty much. So a tad bit lately.
Here's some of my pork from the pigs that we recently butchered. That's them cooking in the slow cooker for supper tonight. Gotta feed the boys, working hard. Water tanks arrived. Getting all set up here. We'll start running some lines soon.
I would ideally like to have something bigger in here, but that's not good. Okay, see if we have the same plan.
Yeah, oh yeah, heard at her. Why don't you do it?
Huh?
I think that the walt's a little nicer.
Stop it.
Hey?
You're falling in love with that and you're trying not to.
Yeah. Let's see here. Oh, frig, yeah, she looks like almost level. You'd be at about 14 inches if you went up 10 feet.
Oh yeah, bud.
Yeah.
I bring that in. Okay. And then a male adapter.
Good thing we built a room big.
Yeah,
Hey?
I know.
I think it was literally how much it even cost that. It's only holding that tank, right? It's 100 pounds?
Yeah.
We'll just sit on it right after. Right?
Don't screw it up.
Well, I have to screw it.
Up.
Let me hold that.
Yeah, right, eh? I'm assuming these are. I didn't actually check. Okay.
You didn't check? What? It's level?
This is level coming across. It's probably alright. They stay in there. Take a check, quick.
The level's literally right beside it where you're walking away from.
That's fine. That's a funny thing.
Not even remotely?
That's good enough. See what this is. Whatever. It's close enough. It's just a freaking random shelf. Doing random things in a random place.
Sam's
With
bedroom.
random people.
Mm-hmm.
Does chair hold me or bust?
I don't know, it might bust. You're not the lightest person in the world. You're actually going to test that with your 200-pound body?
I was going to sit on it.
I could sit on it. That's more like it.
Sit on it. It's what, 190?
Oh, yeah.
Anything else?
All of Terry's tools are here.
Yeah, you're going to fall over. This is bad. It's going to be hard to get. Want me to just put you on this?
My butt's not on.
What the heck? Should hold the water tank.
Yeah. If it can hold my body, we're good.
Oh, frig, yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful. I can even hide stuff in here. Sam, when she gets older, she can hide her drugs and everything in here.
Okay, that's being edited out.
Many wood would not be pleased with that.
No. There, looks nice.
Like cabinet maker.
Yeah, that's how we do her. Holy sh! This piece might not be. It might be on an angle.
You're in the swamp.
Hey? Yeah. Look at. Who put it this close?
Okay, I'll do some work in here for a while.
Here, do that. Let's do this.
Count with me now from 10.
Hey, Gray.
10, 9, 8,
Hey.
7.
She's a sucker for the box.
Likes the hot water box.
So's the cat.
So it took pretty much the majority of the day, but it's all in here now. It's in the house. It's all set up. Here's our new electric hot water heater. Super glad to have that. We'll save a lot on propane. I know we'll have to pay extra electricity on the bill, but we'll save a lot on traveling to go get propane, which is like over an hour away and back, filling it. We had to do that every 3 weeks or so because it's been really cold. So we'll save on that, which will be nice. And just trying to get the propane tanks in and out with all that snow and stuff, that'll just be so nice not to have to deal with that. Also having all these lines now in the house, we don't have to worry about them freezing and digging out that little utility room to get in there to fix any freezes or leaks or problems. That'll all be in here. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna build a closet around here in the next few days so we can block it all off so Sam's not just looking at this from the end of her bed. So it'll be all blocked off and we'll have some big doors that we can get in and access any of it if we need to, or in 6 to 10 years when we need to replace stuff, we'll be able to open these doors, which will be right here, pull either the hot water heater or the water tank out and replace them when we need to. So it's all run directly to the breaker, wired properly right to the breaker. So that's really great. We won't have to worry about, any of that stuff either. So we're really, really happy. We're just thrilled with it. Down here, I don't know if we ever showed you that we had a filter system put in. So that's down here. We'll be able to come in and change the filters as needed since they're just right there. So it's just an easy way to access all of our stuff. It's an easy way to keep it all warm. And the hot water heater isn't going to have to be heating up all the time because it's in a nice warm room. So it'll stay hot for a while, whereas it was outside and it was quite cold out there, the propane one. So it was heating up constantly. But the electric one, it should stay hot for a few days because once it heats up, we just won't use it. And it won't have to keep heating up because it's so warm in here. So we're really, really happy. They did an excellent job, Jeremy and his friend, and I'm just super, super thrilled to have it in here and not have to worry about it anymore.